friends, now today let's see discuss about the axis properties. So I am using Google Colab, and Python is a programming language, but we are discussing like a one of most important library, matplot. So matplot, we did discuss some properties, but today I want to discuss axis properties. So previous class we discussed figures, axes, objects. The data or functions are plotted using some of the many plot functions provided by matplotlib, and other also we see like the appearances of lines and make our customized. But axis label, what is the axis label? So this is the most important property of an axis, is which needs to be set in nearly all cases, is the axis label. So we can set a axis label using the set underscore x label, and similarly we can write here set underscore y label, because there are the two axes. If you are plot, one is the horizontal line, another is the vertical line. So x axis we can say the x label, and another y axis we can say y label methods, and both take a string with the label as the first argument. So let's try as a practical. Now I am going to create x will equal to, first we need to run like matplotlib and others library. So I have already discussed here. Look there, just these are, first you import matplotlib as mpl percentage matplotlib inline, this is called a magic. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and from mpl underscore toolkits dot mplot3d import axis 3d, import numpy as amp, import simpy. And then I am going to create, because numpy I have already, so np dot lin space and it will start from 0, 50, 500, and next the y will equal to np dot sign and x like np dot exp and minus x by 10. So these two, what is the sign expressions, let's be lin spac, right? What happens, something is, I think numpy has not been imported, it has been imported. lin, okay, sorry for lin space, lin is not line. This is the lin space. Yeah, now it happened. So let's see. Next I am going to the create like a figures. So fig comma ax will equal to plt plot dot subplots. Now the figure size will equal to, you can take as it is like 8 to something, 8 comma 2, and another, this one has been started, subplot underscore kw will equal to, so subplot fig size 8 and 2 has been created, and subplot kw will equal to, you can start here this brackets colon and face color now the semicolon, after this you can write the semicolon, this one, this EBF 5 double F. So let's see. So something big size, not a tip size. So let's see. We like a big size. Big size. Anything. So wait. Yeah, look here. This has been plotted. Look like this. And your subplot has been look like this. So now the next, we can see here ax dot plot parenthesis x comma y comma lw equal to 2. So x axis and y axis, and this side will plotted look like this. So I think you can easily understand. So we have taken two variables, one is the x, another is the y, and we are plotting xy. Now another, if you want to set something like a label, ax dot set x label. So ax dot set underscore x label, x label set underscore x label. What do you want to be label here? So parenthesis like to x and comma label pad 5. So LAPELPAT equal to 5. And font size is 18. So FONTSIZE equal to 18. And font name equal to SERF. And color equal to blue. Okay, so you can see here. And now it has been printed, look like here x axis. And similarly, if you want to as a y axis, if you want to print something y level, so need to go here as it is, but you need to write here the y level. So let's see here, copy and paste. This is the way. Then we can write here, enter, and V. So I think X level, Y level, and we need to the AX dot set underscore y level. And in hands of x we need to write here functions x, means f bracket start, let's see, x. So it is like a 18, it may be the something, you can write the 15. So font size will be increase and decrease usually. Now I want to write here the titles. So if y axis has been printed, and how to edit the title. So let's go like a AX dot set underscore title underscore title and parenthesis colon. Now the axis labels and title example font size equal to 16, comma, font name equal to F color now blue, so this is a way to we can add it here the title. Look here, the title has been, and the axis label and title example I have given the font size, it look like a good, and font name SERIF, and color is a blue, and you can write here the red, no problem, green you can also write here, so don't worry. So you can change according to your requirement. So I hope how to add a title, how to add it font size, how to add it x-axis, how to add it y-axis, I think you are comfortable and you can easily plot. So graph demonstrating the result of using a set x level and set y level for the setting the x and y axis level. So let's see, similarly we can also in the additions to the label on the x and y axis, so we can also set a title of an axis object using the set title methods, and this method takes the mostly the same argument as a set underscore x level and set underscore y level. These are the exceptions of LOC argument, so which can be assigned to the left, center and the right depend on your choice. Next, if you want to try like here the like a axis range, so how to plot like a axis range? So range of the x and y axis of matplot is automatically adjusted to the data, and that is plotted in the axis object. So let's see here, I write here axis range, axis range, okay. So only we need to understand, don't need to the more depth. So let's see only. So set x lim, set x y lim methods of the axis object. Both these methods take the two arguments that specify the lower and upper limit that is to be displayed on the axes. Also you can say the x set underscore xlim and set underscore ylim, the axis methods, which is example accepts the string argument type. So let's try, and something is the like here it is a possible to use auto scales method to selectively turns on and off auto scaling by passing the true and false first argument x and y axis settings. Okay, so don't worry, let's see. First I am going to write here x will equal to, so let's start here, x will equal to, can write here np dot len spac parenthesis, you can start from 0 to 40, 30, and you can write here the 500. Similarly, the second I have already written here. Y is the another equation, and this will equal to np dot sin x, because previous already we have taken the x. Now this will multiply here np dot exp minus x by 10. And so there are two variables now at the fixed axis. Axis plt dot plots 1, 3 if size 9, 3 subplot underscore subplot underscore kw equal to this one, base color and you write here the colors EBFS is the color. So let's see what happened. Just we have already created, and I am creating a one. So need to create here the plot, look like this. So previous we have plot single, and here I am going to, I think something ED has been gotten some mistake, look like this. So let's see. So I hope it will be the better. No, again I think let's try again. Fig AXES, yeah, PLT subplots 1, 3 fig size FIG SI 9, 3 subplot underscore KW and FACECOLOR inside of column this one. So I hope, let's see. don't think it is a problem to have same accesses we have done. So that's one thing. 1,3 and div size. So what is the problem? -10 NP and width. So I think here is invalid RGBA argument. Okay. So EBF5 not S F5 double F, right? So let's see, it has been plotted like a look here. So there are 1 row and 3 columns has been plotted here. I think you can write here also here, don't worry, don't have any problem about this here. Yeah, so let's see the next. So I am going to write here next axis AXES, and look here, square brackets, and you are putting here the 0th. So this one is the 0th row, 0th column, and need to the plot here dot plot. What do you want to the plot here? So let's see the plot. I think x comma y and LW will equal to 2. So it will be, so it is to plot here look like this one. Similarly, if you want to the like something right here, like here, it has been plotted. I think it is clear. So if you write here axis AXES, again square bracket, and like here 0 dot set underscore xlib, parenthesis -5 and 35. So let's see. So this has will look like your size, and your plot has been changed. Now if you write here AXIS axis, this one like a 0 under dot set underscore title and parenthesis. Now set underscore xlim, set underscore xlim divided by set underscore y. So set underscore y play. So I think, let's see axes. I think axis is, so AXES not a, so axis has been look like this one, title has been created. So similarly we can also try here like a second column. So need to write here as it is, but I will copy and paste same element but I can write here 1, here is also 1, and here is also 1. And more thing, just first is as it is, and another axis is so don't need to write here like a axis. So set 1 and title has been given here something. So let's see, write here the axis. So dot axis, so you write here dot axis dot axis dot axis and parenthesis like a tight, TIGST. So and now similarly I am going to change here, set the title like a axis. Here something look like this, change here axis and this one like a tight. So let's see, it's look like in the second. I think something is happened in the second axis underscore. So axis is AXES and AXIS. Okay, axis 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 type dot axis and type it has been generated. Look here, type look like this. So I think is it clear, because set underscore title and axis have it given here, but I need to write here something like this one and this one, so it will be better than, so it can be expressed this way. So I hope it is clear. So similarly we can write plot here the set 3. So yes, it is possible to, you can also create your set 3 means third column. So I write here and I need to write here 2 and here is also 2 axis 2 and you can write here 2 and you can change any title. So let's see, here I need to write here axis equal, so equal, and here you can also write here equal, so equal, right, this one has been generated. So this is a way to understand to axis range. So how to plot, so graph that show the result of using a set underscore xlim, set y underscore ylim and axis method for setting the axis range that are shown in a graph. So this is a way, I think it will be helpful for everyone. Thank you very much. So you try and do more practice, you will be the better and better than every time. So I hope is it clear, and I think everyone will be the better, and we are ready for tomorrow. Thank you.